Hi, do you enjoy playing Animal Company? If yes, hit like and subscribe to the channel, and let's laugh at the funniest moments together.
No, 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 no,
Oh, I love sewers. I want to go, JD. Oh no, green light. No, I moved.
Let's just both die. This has been a really nice cut.
Oh my god, I killed him. I had to. Alright, I'm dead. Alright, I'm loading into the game. What the hell was that? Who are these guys? Who are you?
1, 2. Scammer get scammed. Haha.
We're not in safe zone.
What?
We're not in safe zone. What?
3, 2, 1, stop.
Scammer get scammed. I'm sorry.
3, 2, 1, and.
Scammer get scammed.
Oh mon gars, ça va ou quoi?
Ouais, toi?
Ça va. Eh mais regarde en bas 2 secondes. Toi.
Hein?
Wesh.
Wow, beautiful afternoon. Yeah. I don't think there's anything that could ruin this day. Yo, calm down. Yo, chill. Bro, stop. Is it on me? What? The spider. No, you're fine. Oh, okay. Must be an empty web. Yeah, it was. You're. Oh.
Give me all your money. What the fuck? Oh. Hey. Turn.
Armstrong,
You know this game is malware, right?
it is?
Yes. You have to delete it.
What?
You have to delete it before. Unless you have antiviruses, then you have to delete it.
I don't.
This game is a virus. You have to delete it right now.
No. Why did you do that?
This apple's hidden different. My shit is busting.
Watch where you're going!
Just because you're popular
Watch where you're going!
Just because you're popular and cool doesn't mean you get to bump into me whenever you want.
Let's get them, boys!
Oh shit!
Yeah, what are you gonna do now?
I can't take this.
If somebody shoots a gun, then my game crashes.
I'm not falling for that.
That's cool. How do you do that? I want to do that too. I just got this game. How do you do that?
Your braids. Drop a follow button and shake them.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe. One, I'm gonna kill him. We're having mukbang. Don't mind those people in the back. Okay, he's gonna start by using banana. Oh, calm down there, buddy. Calm down. Hey, give me that food. Okay, that's enough. You have enough food. Alright, Mario, just you now. Come on. You sound like every time. Calm down. Mario, eat. Chill out. Oh, guys, play my shit. James, you don't get to get things like. Oh, yeah? Yeah? No, there's food. No, that's the food.
Everybody go to events. We got all this stuff in there. We got pumpkins, we got flashlight backpacks, we got everything. Shh.
I got him. Flower trap.
Alright.
Yo, Jack, what's up?
You missed. You suck.
Turn it right.
Revive me!
3, 2, 1, and scammer gets scammed. Don't ever try to scam again.
Oh, shut up, man.
You shut up, man. You shut up, man. You shut up, man. Yeah. Come on, let's get back. Just click.
Guys, I live in a butt crack. Please speed up. I need
Alright, bro. Are you ready to get launched into the crack? Are you ready?
Yes, I want to go. Yes.
Alright. You're about to go. You're about to go. Boom!
Where am I? I don't know. Oh, hey, give me that. Can you help me get back up? Yeah, sure. I got you. Grab onto this. Here we go. Come on. What the flip was that, bro?
I don't know, bro. You were just in his butt.
What the flip? You know what? Just because.
Yo, bro, are you lost? You lost, bro? You lost? Bro, you lost? What? Can you talk? Bro.
I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! Ah! Yeah! What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, huh?
Oh yeah? Not without the power of love.
What are you doing?
Please, please don't. I hate water. It makes me die. Please, no water. I hate water. Please don't put me in the water. Please don't put me in the water. Please, please, please. I don't like water. It makes me die. Please don't give me water, not water. Please, never ever give me water. Babies, babies! Stay right here, and I go over there. I'll be back in 1 minute. Let me see your toes. Can I see it?
Oh, what is this box? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Get in. Right now.
No, fuck you, bitch.
Okay. Now it's time to eat, okay?
No, I ain't you fucking bitch.
I said eat.
Sorry.
Yeah, you better eat. Alright, are you ready to go for your first ride?
No, fuck you, bitch. Okay.
Get on. Are you ready?
No, I can't swim. No.
Goodbye. Are you ready to go get your first LaFufu?
No, fuck you, bitch. Come and you dumb fuck. I fuck you. Yes.
Okay, come on. Oh, there's your LaFufu. Go get it. Pumpkin pie. That's a pumpkin. Not a pumpkin pie. Banana. Chocolates. Pumpkin. Crackers.
Yay.
Emery packet.
The healthier, the better.
Broccoli. Oh, the last one. iPod.
Yes. Haha, I got the iPads. This is so unfair. What?
No,
I got
not.
the iPad. I only got one thing. Yes,
You got
because
the
you don't
iPad
want
fair
any.
and square.
You
got the
didn't
iPad
want any.
fair.
You know, this sucks.
Guys,